such a dramatic change. You're like, wow, he looks so different.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a very special day today, isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
What's happening today?
Getting my hair cut.
You are. You excited?
Yeah.
So you've had your bath, you've had your hair washed, haven't you? And it's all nice and combed.
Yeah, and I'm watching Jumanji.
You're watching Jumanji?
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is turning out to be a pretty perfect day, Jumanji.
What you doing?
My creativity, as Jojo named it himself.
AKA work.
No, creativity. It's not work. I'm just creating channels of abundance, creating fun, creating happiness.
So what you actually doing?
I'm just doing some different emails, other bits and bobs.
You ready to go soon?
Yes, very ready. Kind of ready.
I know.
Hey, Free Gang, we are coming to you live, but not live, from a random street in a very sunny London. It's beautiful today. How's it where you are in the world? Comment below. Sun, snow, wind, rain, whatever it is, let us know. So today is the day, and admittedly me and Mummy are a bit nervous.
Yeah, we are.
Not nervous, I don't know, it's like an end of an era. An era that can grow back, but...
It's just, I don't know, his hair's like part of him and it just seems like it's part of his personality. We're talking quietly because we can't project how we feel about it onto him. It's his decision.
Yeah, and we just support that. And we understand as well how you guys feel. Some of you commented in a recent video saying about, oh no, they're going to be sad and stuff like that. And we completely get that because, you know, we've gone through those motions and it's been really nice to have so much of your support and validation about Jojo over the years choosing to grow his hair long and express himself how he wants to. And we hope that you'll support him wanting to look the way he's going to look after this. I think you're going to like how he's going to look as well.
Some people say they don't like the long hair, but the majority say, oh, they love it.
And I think as well, you know, Free Gang, you probably become accustomed to seeing him this way. It's part of the character that you see on this channel. But we encourage any sort of changes that people want in life. Of course, with Jojo, we support that. So this is a fun thing for us. As much as it might be nervy, it's a fun thing, isn't it?
Yeah, and also his hair is very much like mine. My hair grows really, really fast. If he wants to grow it back, then it'll grow back in no time.
Yeah, that's the beauty, isn't it?
Yeah.
But he's so excited, he's happy, that's all that matters. And we are going to a really, really amazing place today where he's going to get this done. It's a really nice place. We're really looking forward to showing it with you, and the people there that we've spoken to are really, really nice as well. So this is going to be a fun day for all round.
Yeah, we've got snacks for him.
Snacks.
And an iPad, so...
Yeah, fully prepared.
Yeah. There he is.
There's the boy now.
Hello.
You looking at those flowers?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Look at it.
I haven't measured his hair, but look how long it is.
Wow.
It's almost like down to his waistband.
Middle
so,
back, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of hair. Pretty thick as well.
And it's also getting in my eyes, so...
It's getting in your eyes. Well, we're gonna
sort that.
We're gonna sort that out today.
So we're heading out on the tube today. We haven't been on the tube in ages, have we?
No.
So we're going to go out and explore some other things after this. We're going to go somewhere to eat afterwards as well. We actually better get a move on because time is running away from us.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, he's just climbing. As you do.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ready, steady, go, 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 go.
Get yours right.
Ready.
Hold it down. Ah.
Top up. Ah.
See that, yeah? I'll bring him back with his haircut.
Hey. What a beautiful day to get your hair cut.
So we've just got to West Brompton, straight out of Brompton. It's a really nice area. We're quite early though, so we've got a bit of time to use to do something good. We're gonna get
have a snack.
Yeah, let's have the snack. Maybe we're going to sit somewhere nice. This is one of our favourite places, 222 Vegan. If we had more time, we'd be in there now, but we don't have enough time, so we're just going to have to look at it. Or we could just have a little peek in this place. These two have got the right idea already. What you got there?
I got milkshake.
Milkshake?
Yeah.
Chocolate milkshake.
Is this your idea, Mummy?
No, he wanted them. But I want something else.
What do you want? Everything you could ever want. Crisps, cookies, all these frozen things as well. We've got ice cream, burgers, pizzas, mac and cheese there as well. Sausages, personal care products. This place has got everything. Chocolates, vegan egg. Jojo, what are you just peeking around the corner like that? You're getting those? Chili and lemon lentil chips. Put your hand out a minute like that. Babe, put your hand out a minute like that. You are naughty. All of these chilled products like cheeses, there's butters, vegan bacon. Might have to try that. You've even got a boy throwing his arms around in here. Yeah. Of course, all of the milks, an abundance of milks, loads of them. Oh, and all tin things as well.
What are you going to choose, Daddy?
I get to choose something.
Yeah, Jojo's got milkshake. I've got these. You've got to choose something.
I don't know, because I wanted the crisps as well, not those ones, but I feel like we can't do 2 lots of crisps now.
Get the ones you want.
Okay.
Right, hand the card over then, Jojo.
Did you hear that? All done. Magic.
Thank you. Bye. How are you feeling, Jojo?
Yeah, it's got a crystal here, black waving obsidian, and I'm going to get my hair cut, and it's going to be good fun. Hope you enjoy looking at it.
You like it?
I do. I love it.
So you're going to tell everyone what you're going to do with your old hair?
Yeah, it's going to be donated to another child that might not have hair. And it's going to be a wig for them. Isn't that
Oh,
nice?
that's amazing.
It feels like really weird feeling like loads of hair of mine like everywhere. Like it feels really weird.
We have to look after it though, we have to keep it all nice.
Oh, it could also make paintbrushes. So make lovely paintbrushes.
Do you like your hair?
I do.
What do you say to Dory?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So Jojo got his hair cut. We're currently at the park because sitting there for so long, man, that took a lot of patience for him. Well done, he did well, didn't he? About an hour?
I think it's about an hour.
About an hour, yeah. And then he literally come out of there ready to explode and jump around. So we found a nice park. And for us, I don't know about you, I'm kind of just processing the change. It's such a dramatic change. You're like, wow, he looks so different. But I like how he looks. And you know what? He's really happy jumping around. And he was funny doing all those comparisons, wasn't he? Like, oh, look at my hair.
Yeah, he was bending over and seeing if his hair could touch the floor and everything. And
yeah. Thank you so much, Dory, which is the lady who cut his hair. What a lovely salon. It's called the Rabbit Hole. Good name as well, isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah. Oh, the toilets were even nice.
The toilet. You don't normally comment about some places' toilets, but my goodness, there's like grass walls, and they had this ambient, like rainforest kind of sound.
It was the sound of birds. It's like,
yeah, like in the jungle or something.
yeah, like an outdoorsy phone's ringing.
Let's see who it is. It's probably going to be Joe.
Oh, Hello.
There he is. How you doing, mate?
We're just talking about your hair.
Oh, alright, bye.
Oh, he's gone. At least we know the cutting of the hair didn't lose any strength or anything like that.
Yeah.
I think I'd be devastated if that was the truth.
He's going up a tree now.
There you go. He's lifting the tree. But yeah, it's taken some getting used to, but I like how he looked. He's still got character. He's still got the character. But yeah, the Rabbit Hole, check it out if you are ever in West London. It's a really nice salon, really nice people. Everything there is vegan in the sense that it doesn't contain any animal products or has never been tested on. Really nice environment.
Oh, she needs staff as well.
Yeah, so if you're someone that's quite skilled at hairdressing and is vegan, then give them a shout. It's a lovely place to work, I'm sure, as well. I'll put them a link in the description for their website or Facebook page. Really nice people. They really looked after us and Jojo there as well.
Yeah.
And did a really good job as well. Oh God, when they just chopped off those first bits,
You were about to cry, weren't
I was
you?
like, oh my God, just like, what happened there? It just happened so quick. With regards to his hair, so we're going to be donating that to a charity for kids who have lost their hair so it can make up wigs. Some of you guys actually suggested that and we had already planned that as well, so it's good that you guys suggested it too. But we'd love to hear in the comments below, what do you guys think? It's a very different look, isn't it, for Jojo? I bet some of you are like adjusting just like we are probably.
Yeah, but it takes a day to settle down. It'll probably look completely different tomorrow. It takes a day for us to adjust, probably, and then it takes a day for the hair to settle.
Yeah, because at the moment it's got this like kink around the sides where it's been used to hanging down with weight for so long and it's just gone boing.
Yeah, so the lady said it'll take time to settle down.
So we're just chilling in the park for a bit. We're just going to let Jojo have a little run around then.
And then we're going to go for a massive pizza feast.
Yes, for what sounds like some truly awesome pizzas. I can't wait. Should we go, mate? So we're heading to the pizza place now. Jojo, bless him, he just fell out of the tree. Oh, you having some of your chocolate milkshake?
Yeah, just to calm me down.
You ready to go and get some pizza in a minute?
Yeah, nice cat.
I'll carry her.
Nice curry.
Yeah?
Okay, darling.
Should we go then? What are you talking about?
What if we get 250 quid?
You're serious?
Camera.
I don't know if it really caught it because all I caught on camera was 1 minute you're in a tree and the next minute you were on the floor.
So if you get the money, Jojo, from you being framed, what are you going to do with it?
I'm going to buy a Lego set.
A Lego set? You can get lots of Lego sets.
250 quid.
6 boxes.
6 boxes. Jojo, should we make our own you being framed for the free gang with funny sound effects?
Yeah, like...
Getting fed while getting your hair cut, getting carried to dinner. You got it set, mate, ain't you?
Yeah.
Pizza go-go, more like pizza no-no. The place where we're going is called Picky Wops. I haven't been there before, but I've heard so much good about this place. The lady Dory that did Jojo's hair was saying how good their pizzas are, so we're really looking forward to it. But I was so intrigued by the name Picky Wops. It's like such a cute little name, and I thought, what does it mean? But my interpretation is picky wop. That's the sound of what happens when you eat the food. Mummy, did you have one?
Picky.
That's exactly the same as mine, pretty much.
How do you expect me to come up with my own one?
I don't know, be inventive, stop stealing my stuff. Comment below if you can interpret what Picky Wops could mean as a...
That is so random. That is so...
The free gang have got skills, don't knock them.
Why don't you just ask
You can do
the
this.
guy? Ask the guy when we go there
That
what
might
it means.
spoil it, he might just say it's my, it's my friend's name or something. I'll be like, oh right.
Having a cuddle with Daddy now, are you?
Tag team, change over. Yep, the freedom parents share the load. Hey man, how you doing? So we've ordered 3 pieces. What we got, Andrea?
We got a spirulina regulus lumberjack, multi-grain parmigiana, and a ham vegan meat. And 2 of them are stuffed crust, one with vegan almond ricotta cheese inside, and one with smoky cheese.
Amazing, my goodness. Thank you, man. So we're just heading back now. We decided we couldn't really sit in the restaurant and eat. Jojo, I think he was just in a bit of pain and discomfort, just wanted to get home. So
Yeah, but I'm feeling a lot better.
You are,
better
but you
now,
were
aren't you?
feeling a bit sad where you fell out of the tree, weren't you?
Yeah,
Thinking
it was just like doodle-doodle.
But yeah, I think it knocked the wind out of him, didn't it? And it's quite a unique feeling, that, isn't it?
Yeah, and also he didn't want to walk, so we're getting a taxi home.
We've got the pizzas to take away.
I wanted to ask you a question.
What is it?
Do you think your girlfriend Sienna will like your hair?
I don't know. Probably she would.
Should we send her a picture of you?
She might not recognise me.
She might not recognise you.
Yeah.
You should surprise her.
I can't wait to get home and tuck into these pizzas. They look so nice. You know when you shouldn't have a peek, but you do, and it just makes you even hungrier? I peeked.
I could wear my fox mask at her, and then she wouldn't recognise who I am. I could like put on maybe like a funny voice or something.
You'd be a sly fox then, wouldn't you? We are back, and I'm telling you guys, I had another peek. We have some banging pizzas here.
know.
Cannot wait to get tucked into these. Look at these, man. We're going in for a closer look.
Also, because Jojo fell out of the tree and we wanted to make him feel better, we pulled all the cushions out of the corner and we put them here. And we tried to make a sort of sofa out of them, haven't we?
Yeah.
Well, it's a lovely sofa.
And we're going to watch a movie. So we're going to have a movie night, and that's going to make you feel a bit better. And we're going to have pizzas.
Let's get a look at these pizzas, Mummy. No more talking. Let's get in looking.
Oh, I want that one.
We got what? Oh, is that the spirulina base?
No, no, no. That's the spirulina base. Look at that, man.
That's the base made with spirulina.
Yeah, that's plenty of protein.
And it's stuffed crust.
Is that one stuffed crust? Yeah. Oh my goodness, stuffed crust.
And this one is
I
hemp.
like olives.
This is made with hemp.
That one.
That's stuffed crust as well.
Yeah, and
Okay.
this one is wheat. I think it was like multi-grain.
That's right, yeah.
base.
So look, this one, it's got lots of veggies on there as well. It's got some
Was it-
sausage on there as well.
Sausage?
You naughty girl!
What is that? The sausage? Is
Get
it
no, yeah, no, no.
Uh-oh.
Stop ruining the pizzas. Hey, that's a
that
naughty
nice?
laugh. Okay, free gang. This is where we need you. I want you guys to vote. Which one do you think looks the tastiest? So we'll go number 1, spirulina. Number 2 is the multigrain. Number 3 is the hemp. Let us know in the comments below. I really want to know. We're not going to wait for you to comment after we've uploaded this video till we eat these. We're getting stuck in now, you better believe. Shall we?
I want that one.
You want that one? Okay.
Olive. Olive.
Uh-oh.
Okay, let's get stuck in because Jojo is taking them apart.
These pizzas are banging.
Yes, they are, mate.
It is stuffed with cheese. Lovely.
Stuffed crust.
Stuffed crust. That was some good pizza. I am stuffed.
3 empty boxes on the floor down there.
That's a good sign. Did you enjoy pizza, Jojo?
I loved it.
Loved it, yeah.
And more importantly, do you like your new hair? I bet you can't wait to show it to Sienna, can you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The good thing is as well, he's been feeling much better now. He's not complaining about being in pain or anything. So
Yeah, I'm loads better.
It's the first time you've ever fallen out of a tree, isn't it?
Yeah.
all lessons though, don't worry.
Won't be the last time, I'm sure.
Jojo's actually going to start off the shout outs, which some of you lovely free gang have requested. So Jojo, do you want to start off with 2 shout outs that have been requested specifically from you?
Okay, here are the shout outs. It's to Ruby Betts and Nathan, a good old friend.
Yeah, Nathan and Cheryl Brown's. Also shout outs to the following people: Ashley Santos, Chloe Glover, Lisa Rock, Gabby Rock, Taylor and Chloe. I don't know if you guys, are you all friends? Because you're always shouting out each other and stuff like that. I don't know.
Maybe they're sisters.
Maybe, yeah, or could be all family. Shout out to Harry, that is on behalf of Lulig Watson, Chloe Fisher, Eva Rainick, hope I pronounced that right, Aubrey Gaming, IDK, Georgia HDD, Leanne Cerise, Poppy and Imogen, shout out for you guys, but also shout out for Ellie Byram, who's going to be your birthday soon, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, and the last shout out goes to Sky Gibson, who's thinking about becoming vegan, which is awesome. That could be the best decision you could ever make, so best of luck. And if any of you guys ever want to shout out on your birthday wishes, let us know in the comments below and we will try and get them in the next video or two. And if any of you guys are new to this channel and you like following our journey, our lives and all of the fun things we get up to, we'd love it if you subscribe to our channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell for those of you that are subscribed, so you're kept up to date on when we do upload. You don't want to miss out. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.